Lolo Pogi, I just want to say thank you for the love and support you gave to our family. You always remind me of Saint Joseph because of your humbleness and being a simple man. We will miss you and God bless.
So, losing a loved one, especially a parent, is one of the most difficult things we can go through. Malungkot talaga. But sometimes, come to think of it, am I just being selfish? He has lived to be 91 years old, have lived a happy, comfortable life, been with Mama for 60 years, having plenty of apo, seen them grown, and a lot of apo sa tuhod to play with. Having seen his sons and daughters in good hands and doing what he loves to do the best at 90 years old, like going to the construction, going to his office, drawing. Sabi nga niya, I will die with my boots on. And most of all, I know he is happier now because he is now with Mama. He is now with my sister, Mai Yin, with Lolo Piping, his dad, Lola Salvacion, his mom, Tito Oscar, Tito Joe, and others. Allow me to say, I also believe Papa and Mama are and will be in heaven with God, the Father, Jesus, Mary, Joseph, and all the saints. I know this because in Matthew 25, 44 to 45, it says, truly I tell you, whatever you do to the least of my brothers, you did it unto me. Yes, Papa and Mama has done many unselfish things to their brothers and sisters. And the Lord said they have done it to him as well. So I know the Lord has welcomed them in heaven. Papa, Mama, you are now in heaven holding hands and looking down upon us. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa inyong dalawa sa laki ng pagmamahal ninyo sa amin, mga sakripisyo at sakit na naidinanas ninyo para sa amin, mga pag-intindi at pagpasensya, at marami pang iba. We are where we are now, comfortably and happy because of you, because the teaching and the value you've taught us, like love God and love others, respect God and respect others, give to God and give to others. Kahit na tayong mga Ilocano, hindi ko alam na matututo din pala tayo magbigay. Maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa, Papa and Mama. Hanggang sa ating pagkita muli, you will always be in my prayers and memory. May His perpetual light always shine upon you. Amen.